You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower and it bloom like a shower you with love.
Hey guys, we're finally back in Bora, and we walked to the Henann Palm Resort this time. It's in Station 2. This is the third Henann Resort that we will experience. We're excited! Hopefully, it doesn't rain in the next few days, so that we'll be able to enjoy our beach vacation finally. So this is the Henann shuttle. This shuttle is more economical because it can fit more passengers than the vans. I'll see you later.
You can keep the keys to your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a fate of the boundaries. You took the words right out of my mouth. Just need a good ooh. These guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Going gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Hey guys, we just arrived here at Henann Palm, and they now offer welcome drinks. This is the ocean water, and this is the island sunset. This is made of orange juice and ano nga yun? Later na lang. Parang ano siya? Orange juice. This is curacao. Parang nakita ko dun curacao something. Sprite and something. This is sparkly. This is soda base. This is more juice base. Fruit juice. Okay, let's go while waiting for our room. It's only 10 a.m. Let's go for a walk. Doon muna tayo sa beach. Let's go.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You find this here.
Hey guys! We are finally showing you the room here at Henann Palm Resort. So this is our second day already, and yesterday we had an eventful day, so I wasn't able to show you the room. So upon entering here, you can store your luggage here. And then there's an open cabinet here with safety deposit box on top. Medyo alanganin nga. Hindi ko alam why is it here, because na-occupy niya the hanging area. And there's another one here for your long gowns. That, and then another space on top, and then you have your acrylic cabinets here. And let's go inside. So the shower has a bathtub with a glass wall. We're looking your bed. So yeah, I like this setup. Your sink here also has a storage below, and then then you have your hair dryer and all of your toiletry. What has changed? We were in Boracay April of last year. So back then, they provide bedroom slippers. Now, look. They now have the Henann slippers. That's new. There's a lot of new things here. Let me tell you later. So as we move on to the bed, here's your full-size mirror. No. And then here is your multifunctional table because it contains cabinets. This cabinet has, sorry about the mess, we're kind of nested for almost 2 days here. So the electric kettle is placed inside this drawer. And then you also have your cup and saucer here and your glasses. They also provide bottle opener in case you want to order in. And also what has changed is this. They now provide drip coffee, Henann brand, instead of the usual Nescafe coffee sachets before. And we tried the super sarap siya. And your ref. There's your ref. And this is our picture. So, as you know, Henann, along with the Boracay government, no longer allow bottled water to promote sustainability and for the safety of the environment. They wanted to lessen the use of plastic, and that's including plastic bottles, water bottles. What they did was provide each rooms with pitcher and then just refill this at drinking stations located in each of the hallways here. Okay, let's move on to our bed. So we have one queen size bed and one single bed here. This side table, you have your very elegant backdrop with moonlights. Over here is your Samsung TV, but it's not a smart TV, it's just a normal LED TV, but still big enough to watch your favorite shows. Can be your work table, can be your vanity table. So it has a door here with a very nice granite, probably countertop, with matching coffee table here. And then this is the price of this room is higher than the original ones because of this.
Your dreams, say the magic words on my own. This will be for free. All the dreams, you took the words right out of my mouth.
This is the room with the pool access. So that's it, guys. Again, medyo mainit sa labas. Baka copyright. So there's sound sa labas, you might not hear me. But yeah, this room has pool access. And as you can see outside, you can get your massage by the pool. And so we haven't tried this part of the amenities yet, so we'll take you there later. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I really appreciate those of you who have commented in my previous Henann Prime room tour vlog. I love getting feedback from you guys, and I think there was one question there about bringing in food bought from outside. So right now, that's one of the changes, I guess. Or maybe it depends on the hotel. So when we were at Henann Prime last year, we brought in pizza and pasta. We bought from Two Seasons Hotel. We weren't told about the outside food policy back then. So maybe it has changed since then. So yes, bringing of food is not allowed now. Eating here inside the room, even at the balcony is not allowed. Sabi ni ate, if you wanna bring in food, you can eat it at the restaurant. The entry to this resort, if you're coming from the road, isn't very comfortable. It's the road. Going to Henann Palm. Can't afford to walk here. Look at that. Even the e-trikes are hesitant to accept us to bring us inside kasi nga malubak siya, maputik, and very narrow. So I don't know if you're gonna pass through the road alone and then there's an e-trike or a van coming in, parang may ipit ka kasi sakto lang talaga siya. So yeah, that's the only problem here. But far as accessibility to the beach, the service, and the value for money is really worth it. Welcome to day 2 here in Boracay, and so it's 7 a.m. right now, and before we head to the buffet area, we're going to go to the beach muna to swim and have some photo shoot. So let's go. Just woke up and freshen up for a bit. So we're going to the sky pool at the second floor. Let's go! So right now, we're gonna check out the gym that we never use whenever we're on vacation. I even brought my training shoes with me, but we'll see tomorrow if we can do that. So if you guys are into working out whenever you're on vacation, you can check this out. Let's go. Here's the gym. There's no one inside, so everyone is enjoying the beach, of course. But then here is, it's open from 6 to 11, 3 to 7. Henann Crystal Sands is better than this. Let's see. What's the difference?
Let me know if you changed your mind. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible at night. Fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking. Yeah, I won't say anything to you. Oh, I won't say anything to you. Yeah, I'll never say. No, I'll never say. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible at night. Fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you.
Guys, so today we're gonna go to Station 1 at the White House to check out if we can try and play beach tennis. So excited. Hopefully they'll allow us because last time sabi nila it's only for members, but I think they're kind of open now. So let's
With
go.
the attitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Hey guys, so we're about to check out now here at Henann Palm. It was a really great, nice vacation. 3 days and 2 nights trip, and we're not leaving yet. We are going to transfer to another hotel, and I'm gonna show you later where is that going to be. I'll be posting that on my next vlogs, so make sure that you're subscribed on my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I have uploaded a new video. So this is going to be another great adventure here in Boracay, another hotel exploration. So I'll see you on my next vlog.
Say
Bye!
you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one.